Opening shot. Close-up of the Samsung S25 Ultra box on a clean desk. Background music playing softly. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're unboxing the highly anticipated Samsung S25 Ultra. Let's dive in. Camera pans around the box, highlighting branding and key features printed on the sides. The box design is sleek and minimal, with Samsung's signature branding front and center. On the back, we've got a quick rundown of its flagship features: the *200 megapixels camera, *6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, and a massive 6000 mAh battery. Shot of hands carefully cutting the seal and opening the box. Alright, let's crack this open. Inside, we're greeted with a slim compartment housing the paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, and a protective case. Underneath, here's the star of the show, the Samsung S25 Ultra in its gorgeous color name finish. Close-up of the phone being lifted out of the box, showcasing its sleek design. Just look at that design, premium glass and metal, with a matte finish that feels as good as it looks. Check out the quad camera setup and that seamless edge-to-edge display. Quick shot of the remaining contents in the box. In the box, you also get a 45W fast charger and a USB-C cable. Nice to see Samsung including the essentials. Hands-on shot of the phone powering on. Let's power it up. The display is stunning, with vibrant colors and buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And of course, it's powered by Samsung's latest Exynos Qualcomm chip for top-tier performance. Final shot of the phone on a stand with key features listed on the screen. We'll dive deeper into the camera, performance, and features in our full review. But first impressions. The Samsung S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute beast. Closing text. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Outro music fades out. Would you like any edits or additions?